Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So I was at the Home Depot earlier today and I was looking at some tools and came across this RYOBI 18-volt one cordless quarter-inch impact driver. Now they were selling this tool only for about $94. And I was looking at this and I was thinking to myself, yeah, I prefer these over drills. I've had regular drills before and these are awesome when it comes to drilling because of the amount of power they have. All right. So obviously this is lithium powered. It's got a maximum of 2800 RPM, 18 volts, 1.5 amps, around $94. Now, if you guys have this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section what you guys think of it, whether it's worth the money, whether it's durable. This has been out for like a year and a half. RYOBI makes pretty decent stuff for entry tools. They're not meant for professional tools. Home Depot has the Milwaukee tools for that, but they're decent enough. RYOBI as a brand have been out for over a decade. This is a pretty decent brand, and on top of that, this is the entry price point is pretty decent as far as what the entry point of these tools are. However, I will say that Walmart is has pretty much beat a lot of these manufacturers of these tools, particularly the Home Depot. They have a pretty good line of tools, and the name escapes me, but they do have the hyper tough drills and impact wrenches, but they do also have a higher entry as far as more of a professional line of tools. I forget the name right now. I've bought a couple of them. They're pretty decent as far as durability is concerned, as far as the power is concerned, as far as the price is concerned. However, if you guys have any opinions on this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section of whether this is a good tool or not as far as impact drivers are concerned. And funny enough, Amazon has a kit where it includes a 1.5 amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag for $94.99, which is essentially the same price that you would get from the Home Depot for just the tool only. And I'm surprised. Well, no, I'm not surprised, to be honest with you, because obviously there's just different, different companies, different venues of that sells these on Amazon, eBay, or whatever. There are so many different sellers and selections of these that you could get a better price than what you can get retail at the Home Depot. All right, but definitely, if you guys are looking at this, or if you guys had this, or you guys have had this, or you guys looking to buy it, Leave your opinion in the comment section. I dropped a link for that Amazon link as far as the $94.99 price, which includes the impact driver, the battery, and a charger. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and comment, guys. All right, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Really appreciate you guys. All right, guys, take care.